Okay, so let's start part 2 of our science class 6, chapter 3, fiber to fabric. Pellu and Vuzo won the first prize in the science quiz competition held at their school. पहले एंड बुजो ने पहला प्राइज जीता था अपने साइंस क्विज में जो उनके स्कूल में हुआ था. They were very excited. वो बहुत एक्साइटेड हो गए थे and decided to use the prize money to buy clothes for their parents. और ने डिसाइड किया था कि वो अपना जो पैसे उनको मिले हैं, प्राइज मिला है, प्राइज मनी, वो अपने पेरेंट्स के लिए, अपने मम्मी पापा के लिए यूज़ करेंगे कपड़े खरीदने के लिए. When they saw large variety of clothes materials, जब वो वहाँ पे पहुँचा और उन्होंने देखा कि वहाँ पे बहुत सारे क्लोथ्स थे, they got confused. वो एकदम confused हो गए. The shopkeeper explained that some clothes or fabrics were cotton and some were synthetic. जब शॉपकीपर से उन्होंने पूछा तो शॉपकीपर ने बताया उनको कि सम जो क्लोथ है, थोड़े थोड़े क्लोथ है, वो कॉटन के हैं और कुछ जो है सिंथेटिक है. तो कॉटन एक नेचुरल फाइबर है और सिंथेटिक है वो एक मैन मेड, बोल सकते हैं मैन मेड फाइबर है. ही ऑल्सो हैड वुलन मफलर एंड शॉल्स. उसके पास वुलन मफलर्स भी थे जो सर्दियों में उड़ते हैं और शॉल्स भी थे, मतलब ये सर्दियों के कपड़े हैं. There were many silk sarees as well. वहाँ पे बहुत सारी सिल्क की साड़ीज भी थी. और पहली एंड बुजो felt very excited. Then the Peli and Vudu felt very excited at that. They touched and felt these different fabrics. Then उन्होंने छुआ, टच किया, उन्होंने फील किया उसको. डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ फैब्रिक्स, अलग अलग फैब्रिक्स को. Sorry. Finally they bought a woolen muffler and a cotton saree. तो उसके बाद उन्होंने एक वुलन मफलर और कॉटन साड़ी खरीद ली अपने मम्मी पापा के लिए. After their visit to the clothes shop, Pally and Buzu began to notice various fabrics in their surrounding. जब वो क्लोथ शॉप के बाद बाहर गए क्लोथ शॉप के, तो पहली एंड बुजू ने बहुत नोटिस करा, अलग अलग फैब्रिक्स नोटिस करा. जैसे उनके आसपास कोई घूमता तो बुजू बोलते जैसे he has wear cotton, he has wear synthetics, he has wear a cotton saree, he has wear a cotton muffler. Like this they noticed different kinds of fabrics in their surrounding. They found that bed sheets, blankets, cotton, tablecloths, towel and duster were made of different kinds of fabrics. और फिर उन्होंने देखा that bed sheet that we use in our bed, that was made of different kind of fabric. बेड शीट अपन ने देखी थी जो बेड पे अपन बिछाते हैं, वो एक डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ फैब्रिक से बनी हुई थी. जैसे कॉटन की बनती हैं, कुछ अलग टाइप की फैब्रिक बनती है. सम टाइप ऑफ डिफरेंट फैब्रिक्स देयर वो लाइक बेड शीट्स, blankets, curtains, tablecloth, towel and dosto. ये सब डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ फैब्रिक्स से बने हुए थे. Even their school bag and goni bags were made of some kinds of fabrics. उसके साथ साथ their school bags and gunny bags. What are gunny bags? Gunny bags are that like handbags which we are going to a cloth shop where they go into the cloth shop, and that bag which shopkeeper give us to carry the things that we have buy, that are called gunny bags. And the school bags that you know were made of different kinds of fabrics. They tried to identify these fabrics as cotton, wool, silk and synthetic. उन्होंने बहुत कोशिश की. They tried कि ये कौन सा हो सकता है, like that it can be the cotton saree, it can be the synthetic, it can be a synthetic cloth, it can be a woolen muffler and some other type of fabrics. Can you identify some fabrics? क्या आप ये सब fabrics identify कर सकते हैं? Like this, what bedsheets are made of which fabrics, blankets, cotton, tablecloths. Let's go ahead. Now we are starting variety of fabrics. Activity 1. Here comes one. First activity. Visit a nearby tailoring shop. Collect cutting, of fabrics left over after stitching. So you can go also at tailor shop and you can see that fabrics which are left after that stitching and every doing by tailor. You can feel and touch each patch of fabric, each piece of fabrics. Then you can feel it and you can touch it and you can identify like silk is very smooth and cotton is some type of rougher than silk. Some cotton is also smooth type, not too much rough. Like you can feel and you can say that it can be made of silk, fabric, and different types of fabrics. Okay. Now we are in this. Now try to label some fabrics. Some as cotton, silk, wool or synthetic after asking help from the tailor. Now you can go to the tailor shop I have said you and you can ask the tailor and take the help of tailor like you touch and ask the tailor is it made of cotton or some kinds of different fabrics like this आप पूछ सकते हैं उनसे. Do you wonder what these fabrics are made of? मतलब आप हैरान हुए कि वे कौन कौन से बने थे. When you look at any fabrics, it seems a continuous piece. मतलब when you see, मतलब one fabric I have explained one part that a fibre is made to yarn and a yarn is made to fabric like this. उसमें बहुत सारे fabrics में yarn होते हैं और yarn में fibre होते हैं. Look at it closely. ध्यान से देखिए उस पे very closely. What do you notice? Okay. Now what do you notice? What do you feel? What is this? So today it is like this only. Now in part 3 I will explain more activity 2 and fibre. Okay. Thank you.